Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into a really quick deal at the Dollar General. And then after we get done with Dollar General, we are going to head over to Family Dollar because they have some good glitches going on that I want to tell you about there. So we are going to start off with a Scott deal here at Dollar General where you spend $15 and you save $3 instantly on Scott, Viva, Cottonelle, Kleenex, all of that good stuff. And in this deal, I'm going to grab some Scott toilet paper and some Kleenex. Now, I originally wanted to grab some paper towels, some Scott paper towels in this deal instead of the Scott toilet paper because the $2 off of 2 digital coupon that we got this week will work on the paper towels, but this store has no paper towels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 of these Scott 1000 8 rolls. So these are $7 a piece. And then we are going to buy 2 of them because that's going to give us $14 towards that $15 spend that we need to save $3 instantly. And we are going to use that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. And then because we need at least $15 worth of these participating products, I am also going to grab one of these Kleenex tissues. So these are $1.50. I will not be using a coupon on this. So this is my complete little Scott deal in and out. You can do this deal during the week, especially if you have a 3 off of 15 coupon like I do. That is what I'm going to use today. Or you can just wait until Saturday, which is a couple days from now, and incorporate this into your 5 off of 25. So I am at a DG Go location with a self-checkout. Because of that, I'm going to get an additional 10% off on this deal. When you walk into a DG Go store, you will get a little pop-up on your app that says you are at a DG Go location and you can receive 10% off by using DG Go. So that is what we're going to do today to get our 10% off. And then we also have a 3 off of 15 coupon to go with our 3 off of 15 savings. So we're going to save 10%. We're going to save 2 off of 2 with our coupon. Then we're going to save with our 3 off of 15 coupon. And then we're going to save with the 3 off of 15 instant savings. So we're stacking up all of the savings today. So this is $15 worth of paper products, but after all of our savings, we are only going to pay $5.95. Yes, $5.95. So I'm going to go up to the front and check out, and we're going to see how this deal works. And to answer some frequently asked questions, the first is, how do you get a 3 off of 15 coupon? Those are randomly given out randomly every single month by Dollar General to different accounts. So different accounts get them every month. There's no way to kind of, ask for one or get one. They just distribute them to various accounts. And then also, how can you check for a store with a DG Go location? If you use the Dollar General app store locator function or the website, it will tell you if your store is DG Go. All right, you guys, so we are back in the car and it's getting kind of dark. It's only like 5 something, but y'all know it gets dark at 5 something these days. So we're back in the car and that went perfectly. I just checked out and paid $5.95 for these 2 packs of Scott 1000 and the Kleenex. Now, what I love about DG Go is that DG Go does not require you to spend an additional $3 or to go over by whatever the instant savings amount is. So typically, if you were going to a regular cash register using a 3 off of 15, I would have needed to get my total to $18 because when the cashier entered total, it would go by whatever my total was then after that instant savings came off. But with DG Go, you do not have to meet that additional requirement. So I was able to just buy $15 flat out and get the $3 off for the instant savings, get the $3 off for my 3 off of 15 coupon, and get my coupon savings and get my 10% off. $5.95, y'all. That is amazing. So I'm going to go on to Family Dollar and let's see what they are working with now. All right, you guys. So now we are at Family Dollar and we're about to do an all digital deal here as well. So the first thing that we are going to grab is a glitch on the Gain dryer sheets. So we're going to get these 34 count Gain dryer sheets that are $2. The $2 Gain digital coupon that I have up on the screen is glitching and attaching to these, making them what? Free 99. Next thing I'm going to grab is 2 of these Purex liquid laundry detergents that are 65 ounces and 43 loads. So these are on sale this week for $4.45, but we have a $2.50 off digital coupon that makes them only $1.95, and you can use that coupon 2 times. So we are going to grab 2 bottles and it should apply twice. Now we're going to grab some Suavitel Complete. So these are regular $3, but they're on sale for $2.50 this week. And we have a $1 digital coupon that's going to make these only $1.50. And you can incorporate these deals into the 5 off of 25 coupon on Saturday. Family Dollar will be having this on Saturday as well. So you can do these deals now or later. Now we're going to do another glitch on the Airwick single warmers that are $1.80. So we have a digital coupon for $1.50 off a starter kit. It is attaching to this, making it only 30 cents. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Family Dollar transaction. This totals up to $15.20 worth of items. And just like at Dollar General, I am going to use a 3 off of 15 coupon, which is going to bring that right on down to $12.20. And then we're going to use all of those digitals we reviewed. We got the $2.50 off of one for the Purex, which should come off twice. We got the $2 off coupon for the Gain, which should make that free. We have the $1.50 off for the Airwick, which should make that just 30 cents. And then we're going to use the $1 off for the Suavitel, which should make that just $1.50. After all of those coupons, I'm thinking I should pay just $2 and I think 70 cents for all of these items. It should be $2 and some change. Yes, $2 for all of these items. And of course, if you don't have a 3 off of 15, what you want to do is incorporate these items into a 5 off of 25, or you can go grab them now and your total should just be around $5 and some change. So let's go up to the front with these and check out and see how everything works. All right, you guys, so I am back at home. I just decided to bring this stuff back in the house and set it up since it is now dark outside. And I wanted to show you the outcome of our Family Dollar transaction. It worked out perfectly. So there is our Airwick plug-in warmer, $180 with the $1.50 digital. There is our Gain. That glitch is still a go, $2 with the $2 digital. There is our Purex $4.45 with the $2.50 digitals that were applied twice. There is the Suavitel $2.50 with the $1 digital, and then that last coupon is my 3 off of 15. Subtotal came out to $2.70, and I had a total savings of $12.50. So yes, y'all, this was a bomb deal. We got $15 worth of items for $2.70, all digital coupons. And I want to give a shout out to Saving with Myra, because I think I forgot to mention her name in the store. She is the person where I saw a lot of these Family Dollars deals at. She is phenomenal. Make sure that you are following her YouTube channel and her Instagram, because she is the bomb. And I am super happy with our shopping tonight. With these 3 off of 15 coupons, we managed to get over $30 worth of merchandise for $8.95 at both stores. That is amazing. So like I said, you can do these deals now, especially like the glitch deals, and pick up those free and cheap items if you want to, or you can wait to incorporate these deals into your 5 off of 25, whatever you prefer. But I hope these digital deals were helpful to you all. If they were, please remember to hit that thumbs up button. And I thank you all so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.